G'day everyone! What in the app was that?
Sorry.
Only in a galaxy far, far away. Anyway, don't forget to use the force and smash that subscribe button. And we'll see you on the dark side. Alright, you'll want to start off with some wire pins for the leg joints. I've also got a block of Sculpey Souffle Clay here, some circle cutters, a bit of a larger circle cutter, and this unique cutter, just for the toes that will be on the end of the AT-AT's feet. I've got my usual tools here as well. You want to start by rolling out your clay. Grab your large circle cutter, press out 4 circles. Next you want to grab another piece of clay and we'll be doing 4 circles to go on top of those. Alright, now we'll do the toes. Grab your unusually shaped cutter and you'll want to press out a fair few of these ones because you'll need 4 toes for each foot. Now just cut off the little ends. Grab your foot and pick up a toe. You'll want one on the north, south, east and west sides. Now if you don't have an unusual shaped cutter, you can use your circle tools to just cut out your own little handmade toes. Use your medium circle cutter. You'll want 8 of these. This will be for like the hip joints on the leg. And the shin part. I don't know how better to describe them. And use that same circle cutter to create an indentation in each of them so that the circles will fit. And they should lock in just like this. Now you want to grab one of those pins we made and just shove it through the leg. You'll have to do this for stability, otherwise it will collapse in the oven. Now to start the body, I just grab a block of clay. I don't cut it down whatsoever. Keep it nice and solid and then come at it with your knife tool until you're happy with the shape. Once that's done, just come in with a flat silicone tool and smooth out all those edges. You want them to look as sharp as possible. Now we're going to do the same thing with the head. So grab a smaller block. And grab your flat tool again. This is just for like the little front window on the face of it. Okay, back to the circle tool. We're going to use this for like the little earmuffs. And you'll want to do it one more time in a thicker piece of clay, and this will be the neck. Just push it onto the back of the head. Now I do 2 tiny little gun turrets on the bottom. So just roll out some clay and use a ballpoint tool, push in a little circle. Then you can attach these to the bottom. I use another pin in the neck to attach it to the body. This is so it doesn't fall down in the oven. And you'll want the last 2 pins to go through the hip areas so that the legs can click in. This is the fun part, trying to get them all to line up. If you don't do this step, you will have problems with it in the oven. Now it's time to bake. Pop him on the tray, 130 degrees Celsius or 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and he's done. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed making this guy, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!